Hey there, Jesse, your friendly mechanic, and I wanted to tackle some frequently asked questions that I get in the community, especially from my female audience. What do I look for in a shop? How do I know how to trust a shop? Different things like that. So those are all really great questions, and honestly, I wish that I could say that every single auto repair shop has your best interest in mind. Unfortunately, there's some people that don't have your best interest in mind. So, first and foremost, if I'm going to look for a shop in a town that I don't know anybody and I'm not familiar with, the first place that I go to is their Google reviews. I'm going to check their Google reviews. I'm not only going to check who's the highest rated, because sometimes you might have someone that's rated 4.9 or even a 5.0, but they've only got 15 reviews. And then you'll meet another guy that's got 4.5, 4.7 reviews, but he's got 300 reviews. So just be mindful that it's not just the rating of how many stars they've got, it's also the rating of how many people have actually done business with this company. The other thing to keep in mind of is business owners deal with trolls all the time too, so they literally deal with people that leave fake and spam and malicious reviews, and not all those reviews go away or come down. And so you literally just read through the reviews. Does it look like these are real people? Does it look like that they really genuinely truly have the customer's best interest at heart? And if I am a customer, does it appear that the customer is having a great experience? Those things are all important. So I'm going to start with the Google reviews. I'm then going to do a drive by the place, and I'm going to look. And if I see cars parked every which direction and doesn't just seem to be any order, maybe there's people running around like crazy, or they're just poorly dressed. It looks like the technicians are wearing gym shorts and tank tops, then perhaps I'm going to give that a second thought. I'm going to look and see if it looks like there's a vehicle that's close by the building that's been there for months and months and months. Obviously, shops they deal with abandoned vehicles and stalled out vehicles all the time, but good shops move those away from the door and keep the area around the shop and around the front entrance customer friendly, where it looks like a place that you want to walk in and do business with. And then when I walk in, I'm going to just pay attention to how I'm greeted, especially female clients. If it's a man at the customer, do they still treat you with respect? Meaning they don't treat you like an idiot, meaning, hey, I'm going to take good care of you, I'm not going to take advantage of you. There's just a way to convey that, hey, I am here to serve you. In my business, my staff is trained. It doesn't matter who walks in that door, if it's a man or a woman, we're gonna treat you with the same measure of respect. And I have females on my front counter in an effort to make sure that we give the greatest experience possible. And I also have males on my front counter to make sure that we deliver the same customer experience, right? So we're super well balanced. But you're going to come in, we're going to do an oil change. What you can expect next is my team will pull the vehicle around, they'll start the oil change, they'll also do a walk around inspection. If there is anything that you deserve to know about your car, then they're going to bring you back into the shop and show you what they want to show you. It could be something as simple as a tag light not working, which could potentially get you a traffic ticket, or it could be something as serious as wires showing on your tires, making the vehicle unsafe to drive. So while we're showing you around the vehicle, if we don't find anything mechanically wrong, we're still going to introduce you to a maintenance plan so that you don't have future repair problems. For instance, we're going to want to service your transmission, we're going to want to service your brake system, we're going to service your cooling system, just so you don't have to have future repairs that could be prevented with great maintenance. So I stumbled on that. Y'all see I'm human. Bear with me. I'm great. You're awesome too. See ya.